Okay, today we're gonna do the inner tie rod. I don't really have any tools because I'm not at my house, but we're gonna try and do it with a little Harbor Freight kit and an adjustable wrench and see if we can scavenge up anything else we need. Oh, we have the tie rod tool also. So first we're gonna remove the lug nuts in the tire. We might put something under the car so it doesn't fall on us. We got the wheel off and I loosened this with my adjustable wrench, which surprised me. Next we'll take this off right here, then we'll spin this off, and then we'll take that boot off. We put some safety under there so when the car falls, it doesn't fall far. We flipped up this and then you just pull it out. We'll loosen this, hit it through. We have a really strong hammer. My brother-in-law's house. He's a doctor. This is a 17 millimeter. We're gonna loosen it just up to the top so we can hit it with a hammer like this so we don't hurt the threads. There we go. And that should be good. Hit it one more time. Okay, then we'll push it through. There we go. Then we're gonna count how many spins it takes to get it off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. And that was like, see, 22. It's like 21 and a half. Next, we're gonna remove this clip. So I have this pair of utilized pliers. Comes right off. The hard part is inside there. You need like something to cut that in there off. So we're gonna find something. A pair of dikes usually works. So what I did was I just stuck my screwdriver right in here because this is one of those tension ones, and I twisted it like this, and that should loosen it enough to get it off. I'll take my needle nose pliers here and just give it a tug. We're gonna take this nut off to get it past there. That just pulled right off. Now we can see there's just a little play in here. I think the new one will hold itself up if I had to guess. So I gotta get the tool. It looks like I could have done it without the tool, but since we got the tool, we'll go use it. So I ordered this on Amazon. Hopefully it's the right piece. Comes with all the stuff it's supposed to have. And this I got from whatever that store is, Harbor Freight, for like 45 bucks. So I'm gonna take it apart, find the right size. And we're gonna take off this tie rod or inner tie rod. The one that fits is the 1 3/16. So we're just gonna put that in there like that. Then we got this tool. You just slide it over that. And then I probably need 2 hands, but you lock it right on like that. I couldn't get this tool to lock on there because I don't know what I'm doing, but I put it on there and turned it, and it just broke loose real easy. And this unscrews right from the rack. There we go. So let's compare it to the new one, make sure we got the right part, because this is a good time to find out you have the wrong part. It looks very similar, same size, so we're gonna put it in. as you can see, it holds itself up. So it's much more sturdy, no play. The back one was kind of a pain. I pulled it as much as I can. I don't think it's tight enough. I would probably use a zip tie if I had one. But then I just put this one back on. Now I'm going to twirl that nut back on and then put the tie rod on. I spun that on, ended up in the right position. We're going to put the nut on, tighten that down. Oh, wrong nut. Castle nut. We got to find it, but we're going to put it on. Make sure that you got the hole lined up. Just push that right in there. And then we're done. We're going to put the tire on and take it for a test drive. Then we got to get an alignment, tire put on, and we're off. The wheel is back on and we are ready to go for a ride. I think that was definitely a problem because there's a lot of play in there, but we're getting ready to go across the country here. And so we got to make sure everything's working well. So I didn't do the best job and my alignment's off. If you look at the steering wheel, and my light came on, so I'm going to adjust it one more time, but I'm going to go get an alignment this afternoon. So this is the position of the wheel. I think I'm going to take it out 2 teeth, so 2 turns, and I should just do 1, but we'll find out.